Hello everyone, welcome to the review of 14-inch MI Notebook e-learning edition. Targeting the student segment, Xiaomi launched this variant in India on November 2020 and priced at an MRP of 44,999 rupees. At the time of making this video, it was selling in Amazon for 34,999 and I bought it for 33,499 after a bank discount of 1,500 rupees. The seller was Appario Retail Private Limited. You can find the product links and other useful links in the description below. Please check it out. This laptop is powered by 10th Gen Intel i3 processor, 2GB Intel UHD 620 graphics, 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 256GB SATA SSD, out of which 207GB will be available for use. The variant of i3 processor 10110U is developed for low power consumption. The laptop operates on Windows 10 Home 64-bit version. The build quality of this laptop is top notch. I'm very impressed with the metallic body and its premium feel at this price range. The 14-inch form factor is compact and comfortable to carry on the go. I don't think there are any other premium looking laptops in this price range and Xiaomi has nailed it. On the left side, there are two USB 3.1 ports, HDMI port and power port are located. A 3.5mm headphone jack, an USB 2.0 port and charging indicator are given on the right side. Card reader and Type-C ports are missing, which is a drawback. Xiaomi could have at least provided Type-C port, which all other budget laptops and almost all the Android-powered mobiles have the port these days. The laptop supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bandwidth and has a Bluetooth 5.0, which is good. 8GB RAM is the only variant we can have as there is no higher variant available or no expansion slot for RAM. But the SSD can be upgraded by replacing the disk comes with the laptop. The keys have textured matte finish which looks and feels nice and the key travel is also good. The keyboard does not have a backlit and we cannot expect also at this price range. Even few of MI's high-end laptops also do not have the backlit keyboards. MI may include the same in the future models. The chassis in the key area looks flimsy but much better than the laptops built with plastic body. My typing experience with this laptop is good. The trackpad is made of plastic and not sturdy as glass trackpads like in expensive laptops. But it is responsive, smooth while using and all the gestures are also working fine. The laptop has an inbuilt 720p HD webcam which is surrounded by two microphones and a camera LED indicator. The camera does not support window hello face unlock on this laptop. Otherwise, the clarity is decent and will solve its purpose of attending online classes, meetings or Skype calls. Sitting in a bright ambience of course will boost the clarity of the video. Quality of the mics are also good. Here are few sample unedited recordings for your view.
Camera quality test, inside room, natural lighting condition. Camera quality test, inside room with lights on. Camera quality test, outside, natural lighting.
The laptop with thin side bezels has a 14-inch HD anti-glare display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The display can be tilted 178 degrees and the viewing angles are very good. Though the display is of Full HD, I could play an YouTube video with 4K resolution. I am impressed with the clarity, brightness and the viewing angles of this laptop. Here is a sample Full HD video clip for your judgment. The sound comes from the two bottom firing speakers is not very loud but it is clear. Following are few unedited sample sounds recorded from an online class and a music clip.
Now how much marks scored by the Joel? What is the marks scored?
492
What
out
is
of
the marks
100.
score?
492 out of 100. See,
492 out of
500.
500. Out of 500. Out of 500. So that should be multiplied by 100 to get in percentage.
Many of us may not be aware that NVMe SSDs perform much better than SATA SSDs. This laptop has a 256 SATA SSD, but the performance in almost all the areas is equivalent to my HP laptop with NVMe SSD. The machine boots up very quickly, apps are so fast, pages load without much lag, and the system shuts down within few seconds. There were few bloatware which can be uninstalled. Otherwise, the UI is very clean. HDMI connectivity to an external monitor was not that good. I faced issues with setting up display resolution and scale. A 10 GB file from an external hard disk to the local drive copied in 1 minute 40 seconds, which is faster than my HP NVMe laptop. And I never felt the laptop warm or heard any fan noise. The machine has been so silent, like the one sitting on it. So far I am happy with the performance of the laptop except gaming, which takes us to the next part of the video. If you are not interested in gaming, please feel free to skip this part. While I was wondering the performance of the laptop is at par with NVMe SSD laptops, what could be the difference? Then came the gaming piece. I tested few light games like Minecraft, Free Fire, and they ran without any lag. But every time when I tried to play Asphalt, it crashed. And few other games did not open at all. Of course, this is not a gaming laptop, but even medium intensive games also cannot be played on this machine. Though gaming performance is not good, most of the students or light users who are the target audience for this laptop would already have smartphones which are capable of playing games. And if you are a hardcore gamer, well, you know that this budget machine is not for you. So in my opinion, gaming should not be a deal breaker for this machine. The laptop has a 3220 mAh battery and bundled with a 65 watts charger. The battery did not have any charge out of the box. Xiaomi claims that the laptop charges from 0 to 50% in 35 minutes, which is true in my testing. The laptop charged from 0 to 29% in first 15 minutes, 50% in 27 minutes, 75% in 45 minutes, 90% in 1 hour, and took 1 hour 20 minutes to complete the charge. On battery performance, when the battery mode was set for best performance, full brightness, and with few video edits, it lasted for 4 hours. But when the battery mode was set to best battery life with 50% brightness, I could watch 7 hours of movies from Amazon Prime. So, the claim of 10 hours of battery life by Xiaomi makes sense. There are few pre-installed MI softwares and will be useful if you have an MI mobile or band. Office 365 subscription for 1 month is also bundled with this laptop. It would have been great and makes more sense if Xiaomi had included lifetime MS Office 2019 version, because this model targets the students and their productivity. I feel Xiaomi missed that part. Students, teachers and light users are the target audience for this laptop, and Xiaomi has ticked almost all the boxes to satisfy them. The main cons that I see in this laptop are absence of Type-C port and lifetime MS Office. But poor gaming performance and no expansion slot for RAM will not be primary concerns for the students or users who just want to do some basic day-to-day tasks and will totally vanish in front of exceptional build quality, great display, clear sound quality and the decent performance. I am very happy with this laptop and I love the premium feeling every time when I hold it on my hands. Currently this variant is available on Amazon and MI websites. The links are given in the description below. Please check it out. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or thoughts, please comment. I am more than happy to help you out there. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.